This hive is a hive that replaced their queen roughly a month ago. I've seen her twice. I've seen her once when she was a virgin, and then once shortly after she started laying. I want to, if it don't take long today, I want to find her and mark her. I believe this is the only hive the queen's not marked. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop in the bottom box. If she's down there, I can get into it.
Wasn't this the one that's laying on top on the one side?
No, that is hive 10.
Oh.
Oh. They've got some weight in this upper box.
You want me to come down and help?
It's up to you if you want to. I think you've got the marker, so.
I do.
This hive is definitely a lot calmer now than the last couple times I've gotten in here. I say that and then I have a couple bump in my head. This is the one side is an empty frame, and the other side they are working on filling with nectar and pollen, which I have noticed there is several of the ladies flying in with pollen on their pollen sacks.
Look at the brood on that.
That is, she's got a good brood pattern. This is, the previous queen was superseded by what is in here now. This was a package we bought in the spring, and I'm assuming it just wasn't well made at queen. They also, now the blue decided to supersede her. There's a queen cell on this side. I'm assuming one they just ain't tore down. There's nothing in it. It's actually a thick glob of wax.
I got rid of my gloves. They had hanging all over it.
There's some, this side's capped with a little bit of backfill of brood, with young larvae. And this side, they're filling in around the brood with pollen, but it is a nice brood pattern.
Sorry, Doc.
I don't want to be in here very long. I would definitely don't want to start any kind of robin trap. This side is brood, and I think that's one of the ones we've seen.
Fish too.
Whenever they superseded, they had several. None of these are charged. We'll go ahead and take them down. I'm hoping to see the queen and mark her.
Yeah, close to still.
Oh. They have propolized these frames together pretty well. I'm seeing younger larvae, so we might be getting close to where the queen's at. A lot of real young larvae. Some eggs too. Unless you sneak up into the top box, we should be coming she moved from frame to frame, and she'll be coming up on her soon. But she can skip around. She's actually been laying away a little bit of brood that's capped, and some young larvae, not capped yet, and a bunch of eggs in the middle of capped brood.
That would have been a pretty picture.
So, trying to remember how long she's been laying, but it looks like she's been laying away like crazy. So this frame on this side